Now we fix the headstock. Okay. By now, what you have to do is to take measurement so that we can ball a rubber. Joseph. Take measurement so that you can know where to ball. Okay. Now bowling, we have to use drilling machine to fix. You need key chuck. So if you want to open, may do this. Open and then fixing, put it and then fix. And then it is kept here. So here you can start drilling. And then here we have our rubber. This is a rubber. I'll take my measurement. Yes. Use this. Then I start marking. Right. Then I start drilling. For drilling, if I have to drill here on this point, so what I have to do is to start and then put, and then here I have got a hole. Here also. And then we fix a rubber. Fix a rubber. Now, rubber is fixed. So this rubber will act as bearing. Okay. Now I'll move on the second. Okay. Now you know that a bridge is having too many parts. Part number one, it is substructure. Part number two, it is superstructure. Substructure, they are all these components which are used to support the superstructure. It means they are these components which are designed to support the others. So here we may say foundations, may say footings, may say piles, may say piles, and even abutment. All of this, they are substructures. So after having our abutment, after having the headstock, after having bearings, also you're having foundation. So now we are going to lay the beams. Before laying the beams, we need to put the angle irons, which will help us to fix where the beams. So let's start putting the angle irons. This is angle iron number one. Fix the second. Here also. Fix. 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 And then may put beams. This is a beam. Okay. Wait. Then mark it. Okay. So by now, the remaining it is to fix the bolts, to fix nuts. Fixing nuts. I'll be using adjustable spanner. Then take nuts. This is a nut. And then I fix it. Use spanner. Nageze kuri icyo cyuma cyawe fatira hejuru jangerekera. Okay, now we fix. Here also tighten, tighten, tighten. Okay, the same here. So tight, tight. Okay, and now